point your finger? Why are you pointing your finger?
No,
Aged person, I'm going to teach you how to behave in court.
sorry, my lord.
Each sentence the court is saying, you are reacting to that. What is this? This is submission or quarreling with the court. These are sweet.
No, my lord, sorry. He is not a resident of India. And the private respondent, being number 9, has impersonated him in before the office of the SDL and LR in a mutation proceeding. And other state respondents, beginning from that, SDL, ADML, district magistrate, superintendent of police, everybody has been noticed that such thing is happening. And my client states that some minister is involved in it. I am not divulging his name.
There is no such averment made in the reputation matter. There is no such averment.
Okay, let me finish. I am for the finish. My lord, in the SDLR office, the respondent, the private respondent number 9 has impersonated the private respondent number 8, who is a Bangladeshi citizen as per document.
You have filed a title suit. Yes, sir.
That is not the clear.
We have filed counterclaim. Now they have forcefully recorded
everything is
now
challenged.
Lordship kindly comes to page 144.
There are several
According to their statement, Lordship, they have Lordship landed property in Bangladesh.
There are several
There is one title suit is pending at Barsat court. One matter is pending before the land tribunal in this also, Lordship.
It is in what is involved here is that kindly have a look upon the prayer. Kindly have a look upon the prayer. Civil matter is other thing. My lord, kindly have a look upon
One is
page 19, my lord. A read of mandamus commending the state respondent to take appropriate action to produce the private respondent number 8 before the honorable court. I want that supposedly Bangladeshi citizen.
And one original application is pending before the land tribunal also.
He is the brother of Lordship, the private respondent number 8. Lordship, kindly take down Lordship page 144, their statement that they have Lordship landed property in the Lordship Bangladesh, and Lordship,
Yes.
I purchased the property in Lordship 1993.
Whatever may be.
As soon as Lordship, I filed the counter claim, Lordship, the suit is continuing from 2024.
What
Now, Lordship, 2025, Lordship, March for the purpose of filing this writ application, Lordship, this motivated Lordship representation has been made. Lordship, kindly consider page 144,
Yes,
the first paragraph.
Yes, my lord.
If the private
kindly
company is the Bangladeshi,
Kindly
Lordship, then Lordship, they
page
are also
144.
the Bangladeshi.
Kindly, my lord, have a look upon the page number 134. It is stated that the SDLR is involved in some conspiracy. And the postal department, my lord.
No such statement made before the
Please, no. SDLR is also involved. SDLR and BLR. That is in paragraph number 2. What I have stated in my petition is confirmed.
That you can say inquiry, this epic card which is appearing in 107.
Let his epic card be produced before the honorable court. I have challenged his existence.
Your report, Lordship.
Where is the report?
107 last page.
Lordship.
This is issued in 2008.
2008, Lordship.
You go whatever documents you have to prove. I am not going to. Petitioner.
I have the document.
Sir, I am not an inquiry court. I am a super.
I have document that the private respondent in Bangladesh citizen. My lord, kindly have a look upon the document. My lord, kindly have a look upon the upon.
Please read petition. Very good. Police.
My lord.
Sir, if you go on irritating the court,
No.
court will respond in a different manner, sir. I have a police report before me where Aadhaar card, voter ID card has been enclosed.
No, he's Aadhaar card. No, my lord.
Ramesh Kirtonia.
My lord, this is my.
That is your document, sir. You go and prove it before a court of law.
No, my lord, as Ramendra Nath Kirtonia is respondent number 8. Who is the respondent number 8? How much Kirtania was my beneficiary? Ramendra, not Kirtania, is the Bangladeshi citizen. Whose document I have produced in page number 141 and 142.
After his finger of the
He's
appeal,
a Bangladeshi citizen. Ramendra, not Kirtania.
with the 98. Several litigation are pending in different courts, Your Lordship.
That is another thing. But my allegation is that the HD Elado is complicit in this crime. It has been, yes.
No, there's no such allegation. No, my.
I have given it.
No, this allegation is not correct here.
No, as per the document.
Petitioner number 3 has filed a petition application before the LRTT.
Yes.
Date is fixed on 5/5/2025.
My lord, in the SDL proceeding mentioned herein, some person is said to be representing the respondent private respondent number 8. But categorically,
So that opportunity is there before the LRTT.
No, my lord, I have related.
And Lordship,
I had specifically mentioned that no person is existing as such, and it was filed in my written
no
argument.
person.
My written argument was
You are appearing for respondent number 8. So no person is appearing.
No, as per their claim, Lordship, no person is existing. Now, Lordship, they have made party the Lordship, the brother of the petitioner.
You are appearing for respondent number 8.
8 and 9.
According to
them,
before the court with
According
adequate
to
proof
them,
that
Lordship, respondent 9
is an Indian citizen.
Respondent 9 Lordship
Yes.
signed on behalf of respondent number 8. It is their case.
Respondent
And they are Lordship, the brothers of the Lordship, the respondent number 8. Now, in their representation, they have stated that 27 years back, Lordship, the brothers Lordship purchased the property.
That is
and
that is
given
other
possession.
things. But
And they have landed property in Bangladesh. Kindly consider page 144.
There's a police.
one in the
And Lordship, in the
representation,
suit, in the
it is
Representation দিয়ে সবাই সারা ভারত কিনে নেয়।
Lordship, I have filed counter.
বললাম,
that
You are
by way of Lordship,
petitioner has approached the AS court. Petitioner has approached the AS court as
Let
the,
him come
the representation on
document.
dated 17/3/2025 was not considered.
Pilot in the pilot just one moment.
I'm dismissing your application. No, this is not the way to.
Evidence of
Don't point your finger. Why are you pointing your finger?
no.
Aged person, I'm going to teach you how to behave in court.
Sorry, pilot.
Each sentence the court is saying, you are reacting to that. What is this? This submission
No,
or quarreling with the court? These are sweet.
no, my lord. Sorry.
There is an outcome of a litigation, accept it. There is an appeal court, go over there. Pointing a finger to the court. This is the advocacy going on. And this is why people gather outside the court. The tension you are bearing, no, has reasons for that. And we understand that.
Sorry.
The tension you are bearing for what? We understand that.
I seek
This is why things are happening outside the court.
I seek apology from the honorable.
Petitioners have approached this court as their representation dated 17/3/2025 was not considered by the police authorities. Petitioner claims that the respondent number 8 is not a citizen of India. He was impersonated aid before the SDAL and LRO, and thereafter order was obtained. The property A, which has been referred to, was never the property of the private respondents, yet they have been able to establish their right by way of deception before the authorities, and petitioner apprehends that certain government officials are associated with the private respondents. Full stop. State has submitted a report. Report reflects that a title suit being 269 of the TS 269 of the 2024 is pending before the learned civil court between the petitioners and the respondents. Prima facie, either petitioners and the respondents happen to be private respondents happen to be relations. The report of the police authority is also is enclosed with documents. It is also reflected that OA number 810 of 2025 is pending before the fourth bench of WBLRTT on 4/4/2025. After hearing, the subsequent date has been fixed on 5/5/2025. Documents have been enclosed. A very preliminary inquiry has also been conducted by the police authorities. Learned advocate for the respondent numbers 8 and 9 submits that it's what, undivided property, or what is it?
My property, Lordship, in 1993, I purchased the property, and Lordship, their Lordship wrongly recorded their name in respect of the property. Lordship, I way of appeal, Lordship, it was corrected. And suit is pending. Lordship,
Submits diametrically opposite to what the petitioners have submitted regarding the registration of name in the record of rights and subsequent alteration of the same by way of by way of application before the competent authorities. Full stop. So far as the issue relating to land is concerned, police authorities do not have any. The police authorities are not empowered to decide regarding the right, title, and interest of the property. The same would be considered by the concerned tribunal or the civil court, which is already in CC in of the issues. However, so far as the accusations in relation to the complicity of the respondent number, complicity of the private respondent ends with the officials for alteration of the name is concerned, as has been alleged by the petitioners. If the petitioners have documents in their possession, they would approach the jurisdictional magistrate under the relevant provisions of law. Learned magistrate would, in such circumstances, assess regarding the correctness of the accusations and as to whether any cognizable offense has been made out. Full stop. The learned magistrate will ascertain whether the case for investigation has been made out, and thereafter pass necessary directions as he deems fit and proper. Chalo. With the aforesaid observations, WPA 7816 of 2025 is disposed of. Reports are submitted. Be kept with the records. Server copies. Chalo. All to